What's up guys? In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix the selection is locked error in Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and click File, then select Account. Under Product Information, check if your Office shows Activation Required or Product Activation Failed. If it does, you'll need to activate Microsoft Office by signing in with your licensed Microsoft account or entering a valid product key. Once Office is activated, restart Microsoft Word and try editing your document again. In most cases, the selection is locked error will disappear automatically after activation. If your Office is already activated but you're still getting the error, open your document, click the Review tab, then select Restrict Editing. If editing restrictions are enabled, click Stop Protection. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix the selection is locked error in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.